Hi friends, this is just a quick update on the Christmas table runner that I am knitting. And the yarn is the Super Saver, and the color, trying to find the color, there it is, Mistletoe. Okay, be sure to get the same lot number if you're buying more than one of these. And that should be right on the label. But anyways, I was so excited at the beautiful pattern this is making. Now, I don't know if I attach an extra skein to it, if it's going to still be the same pattern, because so far I'm still working on the first skein. But look at this, how pretty this is. And this is with the 82 cast on, which just seems to be the right size for a table runner. Okay. I was going to see how wide it is, but I don't have my measuring tape with me. But anyways, look at this with the red and green. And then it goes, and then it's red up here, like a triangle. And then this green part looks almost like a Christmas tree. And then the red over here. And then we're going back to this one with the red and green. And then I'm starting, the middle one is going to be red. So I'm assuming it's going to be the same shape as this green part. But I noticed that on my live stream, there was a lot of glare in the camera. So I just wanted to show you this using this camera, because the colors, you actually see green. With the live stream, it looked like the green was blue. So the basic pattern, if you look in the description, you'll see it. It's very easy. And see, the back is the same as the front. Which, if you do any knitting at all, usually the back is the all purl side. So it's like Monday, and then Thursday is Thanksgiving. So I'm hoping all you diabetics out there stick to the plan. It's a low carb, good fat plan. Don't overdo it. I've got good recipes on my blog. And if you haven't looked at that, it's generositiesoftheheart.blogspot.com. I'll leave the link in the description. And just in the search bar, just put Thanksgiving, and all those recipes will pop up. All right. I'm just going to go through a row real quick. So if you don't remember, or if that other video, that live video, wasn't close enough, I just wanted to show you. It's the same, repeat the same row over and over till you get it as long as you want it. And then you just do the bind off. But you know, I was looking at this and I thought, wow, this would be like a chair cushion would be nice. Also, you know, some people do these things where they put covers over the backs of their chairs for Christmas, for different seasons. So you could do that with this. You could make 2 of them and then just sew them together. Measure the height and width of your chair back. And you might even want to put like little bells on the end. You could do fringe, but I think fringe would be too much, too many colors. So any little embellishments would be cute though. Alright, let's start. Alright, here we are. And the first one we just slip off. Slip off this left needle and slip it to the right knitting needle. And then the rest is just yarn over and knit 2 together. Now sometimes it's hard to get, like I said from the other video, you might have to loosen these first 2 up by going in the top and just, you know, pulling them apart a little bit so you can get your needle in there. And then you go under. I have to get my hand a little further down. Okay, and then you go in from under. Alright, let's do this again. Yarn over, knit 2 together, these are really long needles. I gotta stretch out here because I wanted to be able to get all the stitches on the needle. Alrighty, this is not the best position. Come on, that's a hard one to get in there. I got it. Alright, next, yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, oh, these needles are clambering along here, making noise. I should have a tablecloth on here, I suppose. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Alright. Yarn over. Let's try it down a little lower. Yarn over. Trying to get this without loosening the stitches. Okay. Yarn over, knit 2 together. If you do this, don't do it on a table. Just do it holding it on your lap. It'll be a lot easier. But I have the camera situated, so I have to do it this way. Yarn over, knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 2 together. If you're a beginner, I recommend that you loosen those stitches up. Otherwise, if you just try it this way, just going from the bottom right away, you might lose that yarn as you're bringing it down. See if I can do it. Nope. Yarn over, knit these 2 together. Now, see, this first stitch is your knit 2 together, and this is the yarn over from the previous row. So they're always next to each other, so you will know which 2 you need to knit together. Yarn over. Get your yarn up. Okay, yarn over. Knit 2 together. Yarn over, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 2 together, and then you just keep doing that till you get to the end of the row. The last stitch is a purl stitch, so you should end up with 1 stitch at the end of the row. Yarn over, knit 2 together, 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 yarn over, loosen them up, loosen up those stitches so you can get in from underneath. If you don't know how to do the cast on, please watch the first beginner's knitting video. Again, this is started with 82 cast-ons, and your pattern is actually on 80, and then the first and the last stitch is the border stitch. Try to go back a little bit here. Yarn over, knit 2 together, bring it down, catch that yarn from your left finger, bring it down, pull it off, catch that yarn, bring it down, take it off to the right needle, yarn over, and we're almost at the end of the row. Okay, I think I got it. Little piece of extra yarn in there. Well, I'll take it. Alright, so we've got that. We're at the end. Now we're just going to do a pearl. And let me just show you that makes a nice edge on there. Doing those last stitches that way, you don't get any bumps or anything. It's nice and even. Nice loops. Also on this side. Okay, and let's just see this red part is coming. You'll see more and more of the red now. And then we'll probably go back to the red and green and all the way up like that. So I thought this kind of looks like a Christmas tree. Anyways, add embellishments if you want to. If you don't want to, you could just crochet an edge around it. Add some tassels or some fringe. Little bells, I think, would be the cutest. Alright, everyone. I'm Edith, signing off. And remember, just because it's Thanksgiving, we need to stay to the compliant food list and look at the recipes on our Facebook page and also on my blog, and just put in Thanksgiving. There's a search bar. If you go to the right and scroll down, it'll say search, and that'll bring up all the Thanksgiving recipes, and almost all of them have carb counts listed. Alright, happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and see you next time with the finished table runner.